and gents. So I will be making this short video so that you can see exactly how to use your Google Classroom, how to set it up and get everything up and running. This is just a basic tutorial little video so that you can see how things work. So one of the first things that you'll need to do is you'll need to go onto Google Chrome. Once you are on Google Chrome, guys, please ensure that you are signed in with an active Gmail account. So you will see here on the right hand side of your screen, there should be your basic account information. So if you are logged in with your Gmail account, so please just make sure that you have a Gmail account. In the event that you do not have one, you can literally just click on that icon for your user profile and set up the account and log into it. Now, as soon as that is set up and done, right next to it, you'll have your Google Apps button. You are going to click on that. Please, you are going to scroll down on this menu until you get here to Classroom. You will be clicking on the Google Classroom icon over there, and it'll take you to your main page. Now, this will be the main page from where you administer your Google Classroom. In the event that you have multiple classrooms, they will all be listed over here. For those of you that have old classes from last year, ladies and gents, if you want to get rid of them, you can simply just click on the three dots that's on the right hand side there, and then you can click on Archive. Once you've clicked on Archive, it'll go into your archived classes over there, from where you can delete it if you would like. Okay, now to set up a new class is very simple, very easy. You are going to click there on the plus sign and you'll get a join or create class. You can literally then just click on create class. It'll give you the basic terms and conditions that you can just continue with, and then you can start by creating your new class. So for instance, if I want to create my new class now for the grade 7s, for instance, and just type in your basic information that you will require, and then you simply create the class. Okay, now it is quick and easy to set up, and as you can see there, the class is set up and it is basically now ready. Over here you can select your basic themes, so you can change the background picture to basically whatever you would like. And then your class is set up. Now you will see over here is your classroom code. Now if you click on the icon, it'll enlarge it so that you can see that. Now that will be the code that the kids need to use to join your Google class. So they will follow the same basic steps as you did, but only there where you selected create class, they will select join a class, they will type in that code, and they will automatically join your Google class. Okay. Now, to make things a bit simpler for us over here, okay guys, if you would need to post work, okay, you will see on your main page, you will have your main thread. So all of the conversations, questions that were posted by the kids, everything will appear on your main page over here. If you click on classwork, here you will be able to create your basic lessons. Okay, so as you can see from mine from last year, my basic lessons and everything appears on this page. And then very simple, you click on the create button, and then you can select either an assignment, a quiz assignment, questions, or basic material that you would just like to post for the kids. Now, if you would like to post an assignment, for instance, you click on the assignment button, and then you type in your, let's say, for instance, your first lesson is, you simply want to make it just lesson 1. Or you can put in a date or whatever the instruction is that you would like to add. And then here for your instructions is basically what they need to do for the specific lesson. So the kids will receive the instruction once they open it up, and then they can just follow the instructions and complete your lesson. You can also there add links to various sites. You can upload files if they have an assignment, if it is a proper assignment and they need to fill in a worksheet, you can do that. And you can also attach a YouTube video link. So for instance, if the video that I'm currently making for you guys, if I wanted to add this in, I would literally just use the YouTube link, and then the video will also be available to them. Now, let me just move myself over here. Over here on this side, guys, you can see over here, it'll be for all of the students that are basically in your class. If it is going to count a certain amount of marks, you can do that for them, or say it's going to be an unmarked one. You can set your due date, set your topic, And then you can also create a rubric that they can see how it's going to be marked. Now, then, as soon as all of that information is in there, you've made sure everything is there, you literally click on Assign, and it'll automatically appear on your main page. Another option that you have is if you click on that drop-down arrow, you can schedule your specific lesson. Now, if you schedule your lesson, you can select the date and the exact time that you would like your lesson to go live. So, for instance, if you want this lesson to go live on the 15th of Feb at 0800, you do that, and then you just click on the schedule button, and automatically your lesson will already be saved onto Google Classroom, and it will automatically appear for the learners at 8 o'clock on the 15th of Feb. So guys, this is just your basics for how to do it, your stuff. So please, as I said there, if you are creating stuff, so even if you want to post material for the kids, again, it's your basic title, even your description of what it is, and then you can add your files. So if you did a slideshow presentation, you can select it from the file over there, or if it's a worksheet, all of those kinds of things, or if you've got stuff on your Google Share Drive, you can add your Google Drive info onto that. So it's very simple, very easy. I hope you guys don't struggle with it. If you have any problems or any questions or anything like that, please just send me an email, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll assist you as best as I can. So guys, good luck with this, and I hope you get everything set up and ready for the kids. And yeah, let's tackle this first term. Thanks guys. Bye.